Good morning to all my students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, chapter number 7, Famous Rivers in the World. Do you all know rivers? A river is a large amount of fresh water flowing continuously in a long line across the land or surface of the ground, okay, such as Narmada river, Ganga river. So today we are going to learn about famous rivers in the world, okay. Rivers have been very useful to man in all parts of the world since prehistoric times. What do you mean by prehistoric times? Means ancient times, है ना, very old times. So rivers are very useful for humans since very old times. Okay. Do you all know the most important thing in our life is water? It is a fuel for all the living things which reside on this earth planet, है ना. Humans need to drink water so that their body can function properly. Not only for drinking, but water is also one of the most primary thing for humans life, है ना. So we get this water from the rivers, okay. They provide a source of drinking water. Obviously we get drinking water from the rivers for obtaining food, to fertilize land. Yes, rivers help in making the land fertile, है ना, and way to transport goods from place to place, है ना. Rivers are natural waterway which can be used as a means of transport, okay. Rivers also provide an important habitat for wildlife. What do you mean by habitat? Habitat means a natural home, है ना, natural home for wildlife. Wildlife means animals living in nature, है ना, like wild animals, plants living in a natural environment. So rivers also provide an important natural home for wildlife, okay. They play an essential role, है ना, important role in the ecology of rainforest and wetlands. What do you mean by ecology? Ecology is the study of the relationship between plants, animals, peoples and their environment of rainforest. Rainforest means a dense evergreen forest mostly found in tropical areas that receives a large amount of rain all year long, okay. Rainforests are a home to a great variety of plants and animals. And wetlands a large area covered with swamp or marsh, है ना, a swampy area. Swampy land is a soft and very wet, means पानी से भरा हुआ area, okay. So rivers play an essential role in the ecology of rainforest and wetlands. Now let us read about some famous rivers in the world, okay. Let us read about some famous rivers. First one, the Nile is the longest river in the world. Which is the longest river in the world? The Nile river, okay. The Nile river is the longest river in the world. It flows northward for 6,650 kilometers from East Africa to the Mediterranean. Mediterranean is a sea, है ना, between Southern Europe and North Africa. So Nile rivers flows from East Africa to the Mediterranean Sea, okay. The Nile has two major tributaries. What do you mean by tributaries? Tributaries are river or stream flowing into a larger river, lake or sea, okay. Tributaries means सहायक नदियाँ, okay. So the Nile has two major tributaries, the White Nile and Blue Nile, okay. The White Nile rises means originates, है ना, the starting point. So the White Nile rises in the Great Lakes region of Central Africa. Central Africa is the Great Lakes region. Okay, do you all know lakes? Lakes are larger area of water surrounded by land and not connected to the sea except by river or streams. So the White Nile rises in the Great Lakes region of Central Africa. The White Nile is a river in Africa, है ना? One of the two major tributaries of the Nile River. Okay, the White Nile begins at the Lake Victoria, Africa's largest lake. Okay, which lake? Victoria's lake. Okay, Lake Victoria, the second largest freshwater lake in the world, and the White Nile rises. The White Nile rises in the Lake Victoria. Okay, while the Blue Nile starts at Lake Tona in Ethiopia. Lake Tona in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a country in northeastern Africa. Okay, the Blue Nile means originates at the Lake Tona in Ethiopia. Okay, now the second one. At approximately 6,400 kilometers long, the Amazon River is the second longest river in the world. Which is the second longest river in the world? The Amazon River. Okay, the Amazon River is in South America. Okay, the Amazon River is in South America. Okay, it is lightly shorter than the Nile River. It is lightly shorter than the Nile River, although reputable sources disagrees as to exact length of the two rivers. Anyways, the length of the two rivers are approximate. They are not exact, है ना? They are only approximate. Okay. Now the third one. One of the most important rivers in the world, the Yangtze River. Which river? The Yangtze River is the longest river in China. China is a country, and the third longest river in the world. Which river? The Yangtze River, है ना? Is the longest river in the China and the longest river in the world. The river is about 6,300 kilometers long. The length of this river is 6,300 kilometers. Okay, and originates from a glacier. What do you mean by glacier? Glacier is a huge mass of ice that moves slowly over land. Okay, glacier is a river of ice, है ना? When the rivers of glaciers melt, when the ice of glacier melts, convert into the clean water. Okay, so Yangtze River originates from a glacier lying on the eastern part of the Tibetan Plateau. What do you mean by plateau? A plateau is a large area of high and fairly flat land. So the Yangtze River originates from a glacier lying on the eastern part of the Tibetan Plateau. Okay, Tibetan Plateau is the world highest plateau, है ना? And known as roof of the world. And known as roof of the world. Okay, Tibetan Plateau. Now the last one. The 2,510 kilometer Ganges River. Which river? Ganges River originates in the western Himalayas in India. So the Ganges River is in India, and we also call this river as Ganga River. We also call this river as Ganga River. Okay, it is 2,510 kilometers long, and it originates western Himalayas and drains. Drains means flows. Okay, it drains into the Sundarbans Delta in the Bay of Bengal. What do you mean by delta? A delta is an area of low flat land shaped like a triangle, where a river divides into several smaller rivers before flowing into the sea. Sundarban Delta is situated in Asia, where the Ganges rivers discharge into the Bay of Bengal. Where is Bay of Bengal? Is to the east of India. Okay. It has long been considered a holy river by Hindus. Considered ऐसा माना जाता है ना, considered means माना जाता है. Okay, it has long been considered a holy means पवित्र, holy dedicated to God, holy river by Hindus. Okay, हिंदूज में गंगा रिवर को बहुत पवित्र माना जाता है. एंड वर्शिप्ड एज द गॉडेस गंगा इन हिंदुइज्म. वर्शिप पूजा की जाती है एज अ गॉडेस गंगा. ओके, हम बोलते हैं ना लाइक गंगा माँ, गंगा मैया. ओके, इन हिंदुइज्म. इट हैज ऑल्सो बीन इम्पोर्टेंट historically. It has also been important historically. Okay, many former provincial or imperial capitals. Former means previously, है ना, in the previous time many former or imperial capitals, provincial or imperial capitals means the states, है ना, the districts. Okay, also have been located on its banks. Banks means the land at the side of a river, है ना, means किनारा, है ना. So it has also been important historically. Many former or provincial capitals like such as Kannauj, Kashi, Allahabad, Prayagraj, Dhaka, Vikrampur, these all are the oldest cities, है ना, and the oldest capitals have been located on its banks in previous times. Okay, now the names of all these provincial capitals have been changed. Okay, so many former or provincial capitals have been located on its banks in previous times. Okay, I hope you all are understood this chapter, है ना. Try to learn this chapter, do practice at home. Now let us move on our next chapter. Chapter number 8, feathery creatures. What do you mean by feathery creatures? Feathery creatures means birds. Birds have feathers, so they are called as feathery creatures. In this lesson, we are going to learn about birds. Okay? When a bird flies, it is an amazing thing to watch how they take flight. What do you mean by flight? Flight means to fly. Amazing to see how birds fly, glide through the air. What do you mean by glide? Glide means to move smoothly, है ना, to move smoothly through the air. And land with ease is very intriguing. Intriguing means very interesting. Okay, so it is very interesting to watch how birds fly and move smoothly in the air and land. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. Birds are the only animals that have feathers, and not all birds fly. All the birds cannot fly. Example like ostrich. Ostrich cannot fly, है ना. You can find some birds just about anywhere, and some people think birds make great pets. What do you mean by pets? When you domesticate an animal, it becomes your pet, है ना. Pet means पालतू जानवर. So birds as kept as a pet. Okay. Now look at pictures and characteristics of some birds are given below. Identify and write their names in the blanks. Choose your answers from the pictures. Now look at the first one. This was the first bird domesticated by humans. Humans, इंसान ने सबसे पहले इस बर्ड को डोमेस्टिकेट किया था, है ना, एज अ पेट रखा था. Which bird is this? This bird is goose. The name of this bird is goose. Okay. Now the second one. This bird stands for endurance. Endurance means सहन शक्ति. Okay. Independence. Independence means not to be dependent on anyone, and courage. So this bird is a courageous, independent bird, and also the national bird of USA. It is the national bird of USA, United States of America. Okay. So which bird is this? This is a bald eagle. The name of this bird is bald eagle. Okay. Now look at the third one. This bird is the smallest seabird just 15 centimeter long. Seabirds means seabirds are found near the sea. Seabirds are found near the sea. So it is the smallest seabird and it is only 15 centimeter long. है ना? And what is the name of this bird? This bird is storm petrel. Storm petrel. Okay? Now look at the next one. This bird drinks blood from the wings of other birds by poking them with its sharp beak. What do you mean by poking? Poking means chubana. Okay, so these birds drinks the blood of other birds by poking with his sharp beak. Beak means chonch. Okay, so what is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is frigate bird. Frigate bird. Okay, now the next one. These birds are blind, so they hunt by smell. Blind means someone who cannot see. This bird cannot see, ना? So they hunt by smell. Hunt means शिकार करना. So how do they eat food? They food hunt by smell. Okay. So what is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is kiwi. Okay. The name of this bird is kiwi. Now the next one. This bird chases and forces other birds to drop their food. What do you mean by chases? Means पीछा करना. So this bird chases and forces other birds to drop their food. Which bird is this? This bird is red-billed hornbill. The name of this bird, red-billed hornbill. Okay. Now the next one. This bird can be heard singing in spring season. It is considered as omen of happy marriage. What do you mean by omen? Omen means sign. Okay. When this bird sing, it is considered as a sign of happy marriage. Okay. And which bird is this? This bird is cuckoo. The name of this bird is cuckoo. Okay. Now the last one. This bird stands as a symbol of universal love and peace. This bird stands as a symbol of love and peace. So which bird is this? The name of this bird is dove. The name of this bird is dove. Now look at this corner. Ravens are the great mimicking human speech and sound. What do you mean by mimicking? Mimicking means नकल करना, copy करना, to copy someone. Okay, so these ravens are great at copy human speech and sound. So ravens is a bird that can speak human language. That can speak human language, है ना? So which bird is this? This is ravens. Okay, the name of this bird is ravens. Okay, I hope you all are understood these chapters. Try to learn these chapters. Okay. Thank you. Stay happy. Stay safe.